Welcome back to the Tense series. This is Chapter 13. Today, we learn the future perfect continuous tense. Sam sits down to study at 8 p.m. tonight. He opens his books and begins his long study session. Now imagine, it is 8 a.m. the next morning, and Sam is still studying. He started at night and continues till morning. That means he will have been studying for 12 hours. This is the key idea. An action that started before continues and reaches a future moment. Future perfect continuous tense is used for actions that continue until a specific time in the future, especially to show how long they last. The formula is simple. Subject, then will have been, then the verb plus ing. Always remember, ing shows the action continues. We often use time expressions like for 2 hours, for many years, and since morning. These show the duration of the action. He will have been running for 2 hours. The action continues and reaches a future point. He will have been studying all night. Focus on how long the action continues. For negatives, add not. He will not have been working. For questions, start with will. Will you have been waiting long? Quick quiz. Fill in the blank. Think carefully. The answer is A. Will have been. Future time plus duration. Perfect. He will be studying just an action in the future. He will have been studying action plus duration. Let's recap. Future action continuing with duration. Next, the final chapter. We revise all tenses together. Like, subscribe, and comment your answer. See you in the final chapter.